I'm going to see the family this afternoon at their request. So I'm here merely to offer my solidarity with the community who have been greatly shocked by the footage that we've seen, which was truly horrifying, not just for this community, but for all communities. This is not the kind of policing that we can accept in Britain. It might be all right in Chicago, but it isn't all right here. It might be all right in Bangladesh at the moment, but it isn't here. We won't allow it to become the norm here. Police officers have to remain in control of themselves at all times. And what we saw on the film was at least one police officer, if not more, clearly out of control. And so the pressure that we mounted, Barrister Ahmed, myself, Shafiq, and others, has led to the police changing their position 3 times. And the third time was third time lucky. They have referred it to an independent inquiry, and that's what we need.